everybody, I'm Katya from Homemade Living, and today I'll be making Southern Corn Pudding Casserole. This goes great on a Thanksgiving table or with a Christmas ham or roast. This is a great make-ahead casserole. Take some stress out of your holiday prep work. Start by adding your wet ingredients to a large mixing bowl, all except the eggs. Stir it all together. Then fold in your eggs. I add the eggs last, just so that warm butter doesn't affect the eggs and cools off. Now you can make my Jiffy alternative dry ingredients and add them to a medium to small size bowl. Stir to combine. Then add your dry ingredients to the wet corn mixture. Stir it all well until there are no more dry spots. Grease a 9x13 baking dish with butter or cooking oil spray. Add the corn mixture to the baking dish and level out the mixture with a spatula. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Do not overbake it or it will dry out. After it's done baking, let the casserole rest for 5 to 10 minutes before serving. Then enjoy that fluffy, slightly sweet, creamy corn pudding casserole. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel for my latest recipes. And be sure to hit that bell as well. Happy cooking!